Alrighty guys, we're here in Odessa, Texas at the Prosperity Bank Tower. Check out what we have here. Look at this one. Whatever that's called. We're at the ICA Tower, that's called. Listen to Otis, got modded and functioning. This B. Hey look, 13th floor, let's go there. Creepy parking garage. Look at that, Otis. Thirteenth floor. There's a map of the world. That's fine. Let's go down to 1. Took me a while. These are nice elevators. Just this elevator's been modded. By generic. So let's go ride the passenger car across the hall. And of course, that one's an independent service. We have to wait for that one to close. There's this one. Yeah, this one was 12. Very fast. One. And wait for the other car. Security high. Very nice, but small elevators. Oh, but this cab's not much more. It's like a fake cab. Yeah, at least had some speed. Wound open.
Okay.
This is probably where the announcer. This is probably where the old announcer panel used to be, right there. Look at all that metal. This is crazy. Look at all this metal. See, it says controller, normal power, all that stuff. But anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.